getting your office stuff under control. Asana is our task management app, right? So this is just a screenshot of one of our templates in Asana. So this one is actually full service client project template. So it's massive, right? So this is conceptual design phase, detailed design phase, purchasing phase, installation construction phase, client wrap up. And there's another one that goes, well, it doesn't really, the one that comes ahead of it is actually under the potential client system, which looks similarly like this, and they kind of graduate from a potential client into a full service client upon signature of the design agreement and deposit of the first payment. At that point, they get transferred into this template. But there's also, so again, I always talk about we iterate. Recently, we had so many potential clients reaching out, and Rania was putting them through their full paces, which is a lengthy process. So we added a mini process that's sort of more gatekeeping to like determine if they were a decent lead that even should get, because setting up each template is putting their name in, putting their information in, making it, duplicating that template, setting it all up, right? That in itself is work, is time. And so you did more of a gatekeeper layer, and then if they make it to a real potential client, either full service or online, the potential client status is the same. And then if they graduate, they get a full service project or an online design